Need an easier, faster way to set up your trade show booth? Easy Backdrops is your solution. Not only is it quick and easy to install, but it is also affordable, lightweight, wrinkle-resistant, and washable. Set up your eye-catching trade show booth in minutes, not hours. Everything you need to install your Easy Backdrops is in the complimentary drawstring tote provided. Let us show you how. Step 1. Thread the black bungee cord through each corner grommet of the Easy Backdrops. Step 2. Loop the bungees at the top of Easy Backdrops over the booth's top corner pipes. Step 3. Loop the white bungee cord around the base of the exhibitor upright pipe, placing the knob of the black bungee over the knob of the white bungee to pull out any folds in the Easy Backdrops. Whether you display at a trade show one time a year or many, the Easy Backdrops is your best friend to showcase your products or services. Order online at easybackdrops.com or call 678-717-1222.